Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Nissan Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Carpeted floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
At the Matthews Hot Corner on the corner of the Vestal Pkwy and Sycamore, we've got over 500 pre-owned vehicles available, including 75 factory-certified Nissans with a great warranty, free maintenance, Carfax, and more, featuring a special low APR financing rate or extra rebates to well-qualified buyers. Learn more at the Hot Corner near the Town Square Mall.